US President Donald Trump on Thursday said a landmark civilian nuclear deal with Saudi Arabia will only move forward if Riyadh joins the Abraham Accords and normalizes ties with Israel. In a post on Truth Social, Trump said the agreement is strictly for the civilian use of nuclear facilities, similar to programs in Iran, the United Arab Emirates, and other countries. He added that the deal would be approved but is entirely subject to Saudi Arabia joining the Abraham Accords. The Abraham Accords, brokered under Trump in 2020, established the normalization of diplomatic relations between Israel and several countries in the region. The announcement comes as the United States, under President Trump, remains at war with Iran, a conflict that began largely over concerns about Iran's nuclear program and has also stalled peace talks. The US Energy Department said two agreements were signed by Energy Secretary Chris Wright and Saudi Energy Minister Prince Abdulaziz bin Salman. One covers peaceful nuclear cooperation while the other focuses on bilateral safeguards. The department said the agreements lay the legal foundation for a decades long multi billion dollar partnership aimed at advancing economic and strategic objectives, including nuclear non proliferation. However, the text of the agreements was not immediately made public. The Wall Street Journal reported that one provision could allow US companies to build a uranium enrichment facility in Saudi Arabia. The US Energy Department neither confirmed the report nor commented on it. The agreement will now be submitted to the US Congress for review, although the Republican controlled legislature is considered unlikely to block its implementation. US lawmakers from both parties and Israeli officials have previously expressed concerns that Saudi Arabia could eventually use such a program to develop nuclear weapons. Saudi Arabia has consistently maintained that it has the right to pursue a civilian nuclear program. Washington has also sought to make any nuclear agreement part of a broader strategic effort that includes Saudi Arabia normalizing ties with Israel and signing a US Saudi defense pact. The United States signed a civilian nuclear agreement with the United Arab Emirates in 2009, although the UAE does not enrich its own uranium. US Energy Secretary Chris Wright said the agreements uphold the highest standards of nuclear safety and non proliferation while relying on American nuclear technology and scientists. The agreement was signed under Section 123 of the US Atomic Energy Act. The United States currently has nuclear cooperation agreements with more than 50 countries. Experts said the deal had been under discussion for a considerable time.